Hi and welcome back to Jamaica Homes, where today we are in Mandeville, Manchester. We are going to be looking at this beautiful property and I'm excited to take you on a tour around looking at these homes where we could look at inspirations, get designs or different ideas for those who are possibly building their property or just want to get different ideas for how to decorate a property. Let's go and take a tour. Come on, look. Today we are in Mandeville, Manchester, where we are looking at this beautiful 4-bedroom house, which consists of a maid's quarter. Let's go in and take a tour. Let's go. As you can see, you have this beautiful entrance. We have the owner, Mr. Henry, who partially designed this beautiful home, and I'll tell you what I mean by that. As you come in through the entrance area, look at the high ceilings. As we go upstairs, you're going to see what I mean by that. And the high ceilings. You have this gorgeous grand living room, gorgeous voltage ceiling. I love the deco with the grand curtains. So beautiful. So we're going to take a tour down there in a second, but we're going to here first, where we have a games room with a big snooker table. We have the bathroom through here. Okay. We'll make our way through here. There's one of the 4 bedrooms is in here. Okay. And if we go through this area, we have a second living area. Or TV room. Again, high voltage ceilings in here, which keeps it nice and cool. Powder room through here. And dining area through here as well. I love the curtains in this room as well. Grand table right here. Very nice. Through here is the kitchen area, which is very nice and spacious. And a dining area as well. So there's 2 choices or options where to eat through here or through here. As we go through here is the washroom. Again, quite spacious. And through here is the maid's quarter. With its own bathroom. And own bedroom. And we have the garage as well, which is again quite spacious. You can hold about 2 cars in here. Really pushing it actually. Yeah. That's a nice spacious garage. Well, very. Well. The grounds, the yard area, it's well maintained with the different plants and trees. This is a mulberry tree which we're looking at right now, a mulberry tree. And I can see an orange tree over there as well, right there. Yeah, those oranges. Tangerine and grapefruit on here. Look how much aloe vera as well. Wow. Oh, so this is a tangerine tree. And this is the orange tree. Grapefruit. So this land is just full of amazing fruits. Passion fruits, guava, mango, ackee, you name it. This land has it all. It's amazing. Right, so let's go up to take a tour upstairs now. As you can see, the wooden floor is parquet. It's beautiful. Wooden banister as well. Look at the view up here. As you can see, you can overlook the TV room or dining or living room. I love that feature. Love that feature up there. It's almost like a ship with that window. It's a beautiful feature. I love the open space up here. It's very grand. So I love how it just opens up. So through here is one of the 4 bedrooms. So we saw one of the bedrooms downstairs, and this is one of the bedrooms upstairs. I love the bed head. Quite a unique bed head. And then storage cupboard in here as well. Cupboards in here as well. And then this is one of the bedrooms. Oh, I'm sorry, this is one of the bathrooms. Unfortunately, we don't have access to this room, so we are unable to view that room. Storage area again over here. Beautiful shoe closet area. And this is the master room, the master grand bedroom. Through here is actually a walk-in closet. Can't open this door, but yeah, through here is a walk-in closet. Simple but elegant. Then we have a little balcony here as well, which is just cool, feeling cool breeze. So through here we have the master bathroom, which consists of a shower and a jacuzzi bath, his and hers sink, again, and toilet and a bidet as well. So this brings us to the end of the tour. I just want to take the opportunity to thank you so much for joining us and watching this video of this amazing, beautiful grand home. And I just want to remind you to like, share and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay blessed.